Hi Tiersha, this is Sarah with Ryan SEO and Digital Marketing. I know you're busy, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is a marketing audit to show you how to get more traffic to a website and to get it to the first page of Google. I'll go over 3 helpful tricks to get you there. The first thing we're going to look at is content. Currently, it doesn't look like you have a website, so we're going to take a look at Bark Avenue Dog Grooming Spa Services. They are #1 organically for Dog Groomer OKC. Google likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage. They have 61 words on theirs. Another great tip is when you go to add images to your site, save those image names as keywords. This will actually help you rank for more keywords. The next thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. We use a tool called Ahrefs to track our trust flow, our power flow, backlinks, organic keywords, and organic traffic. We like to see our trust and our power in a ratio of 1, so 2 and 2 out of 100. They're getting their trust and their power from these 61 backlinks. Now we can actually go in there and take the good backlinks and leave the bad ones behind. They currently have 52 keywords, which is bringing 79 people to their website every single month. The last thing we're going to talk about are citations. A citation is any time your business name, phone number, or address are listed on another website such as Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, Yellow Pages, websites like that. You're currently sitting at 22 citations, and these contribute to your Google My Business. Citations aren't hard to get, they're just time consuming. You can find your Google My Business inside the map pack. They're fairly easy to rank and not super difficult to put together. You can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and money, you can give me a call at 405-439-7951. All I ask for is a little feedback on this video. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.